So look at this particular question. Find the total percentage of oxygen in magnesium nitrate crystal. So basically this is what your magnesium, this is what your magnesium nitrate, and it is what hexahydrate. Okay, so you have what, this magnesium nitrate hexahydrate, and in that magnesium nitrate hexahydrate you have to find the total percentage of oxygen. Okay, so how to find this total percentage of oxygen? So see this A part, you have to find what, total percentage of oxygen. And how to find it? So you have to find the total mass of oxygen, that is total mass of oxygen in one molecule of that particular compound, in one molecule, and upon molecular mass, and that is because it is percentage, so into 100. Okay, so first find the mass of oxygen. So how many number of atoms of oxygen are there in this particular compound? So look at this, here it is what, 6. Look at this Mg, and this is what your NO3 whole twice dot 6H2O. Okay, so in this case how many atoms of oxygen? 6 oxygen, and plus in this case if you see how many oxygens are there, so 6 oxygen. Okay, so total you have 12 oxygen atom in this particular compound, 12 oxygen atom. All right, so 12 oxygen atom there means how much mass? So 12, and each oxygen atom mass is what, 16U. So it becomes what, 12 into 16 is what, I think 192 U. Okay, now see the molecular mass. So how to find the molecular mass? So molecular mass, add the mass of each and every atom in this particular compound. So magnesium is there, so it is what, 24. Then again what, nitrogen, 2 nitrogen is there, so it is what, 2 into 14 plus 6 oxygen in this NO3, 6 oxygen, so 6 into what, 16, and plus this is what you have, 6 water, and each water has mass what, 18. Okay, so this much you just add it. So 24 plus 28 plus 96, and plus this is what, 18 into 6 is what, 108 U, and when you will add this 96 plus 24, it is what, 120, and 120 and 108, so it becomes what, this one and this one, 120 and 108, so 228, and again 28, so 256 U. It is what, 256 U. All right, so what should be the total percentage of oxygen? So just put here. Okay, so this value is 192 upon 256 into what, 100, and even you can calculate this one. This is what, your 16 into 16 is 256, and it is what, 16 into 12 is what, 192. So this is what, 4 4s are 16, 4 3, and this is what, 424. So this becomes what, 75%. So the answer of the first part, that is A part, is what, 75%. Okay, now same funda will be applicable in the second part, that is what, B part. Calculate the percentage of boron in this particular compound, and this is what, your borax. Remember, this is what, your borax. In Hindi it is also known as suhaga. Okay, so it is what, borax. Okay, so now you have to find the percentage of boron. So, and look at this, these atomic mass are given. Boron here we are taking what, 11, oxygen is what, 16, and sodium is what, 23. All right, in general we take boron 10.81, but maybe they give 11, just here it is given 11 because just to, you know, ease the calculation part. Okay, so let's see. This is what your Na2 borax is what, Na2B4O7 dot 10H2O. Okay, so what is the molecular mass of this borax? It is what, so this is what, 23 into 2 plus 11 into 4, 23 sodium into 2, 11 boron into 4, plus oxygen 16 into what, 7, and plus water is what, 18 into 10. So 18 into what, 10. So this particular value will be what, 46 plus 44. Okay, so and plus 16 112, and plus this is what, your 180. All right, so this is what, 46 plus 44, so 90 plus 112 plus 1180. All right, and add this, so it will become 270 and 370 and 382, so it becomes what, 382 U. All right, so this is the molecular mass of this borax. Okay, this borax. All right, and how much boron here? So it is what, your 44. So amount of boron, or the mass of boron here is what, mass of boron is what, 44 U. All right, so percentage of boron in borax is what, your 44 upon 382 into what, 100, into what, 100. All right, and when you can calculate 22, and this is what, your 191. All right, and when you will calculate it, is what, 2200 upon 191. All right, just calculate this with the percentage. So I think, hope it is clear to you. Okay.